Hello, welcome you all for the data structure class. So today I'll be explaining how we are evaluating the postfix expressions. So the thing is that I'll be scanning the symbol from left to right. I'll be scanning the symbols from whatever the expression I'll be having. I'll be scanning from, for example, if you are having 2 plus 3 star 8 6 12 slash, like this way. If you are having any expressions, I'll be first go on scanning from to right. Then what happens, initially what I encountered, suppose if I encountered 2, so then what I do, I will be stored on push onto the stack. Next I encountered 3, I will be pushed onto the stack. Next, if I encounter operator, for example plus, first what I do, I will be always stored with 2 and 3 initially. Then I will be popping both elements. Then what I do, I will be add 2 plus 3. Again my result is what, 5. Again I will be storing that result into the stack. Again if I encountered one more value, next 2 3 plus 6 star, like this way. Then what I do, again I will be storing 6 onto the stack. Next one I encounter star symbol, then again I will be popping 6, and what is the store on the 6, both I will be doing, I will be performing star operation. 6 star 6 36, that result I will be storing onto the stack. No expression is not containing anything. 2 3 plus 6 star, this is my expression. Now after scanning the star symbol, there is nothing is left, hence I will be popping the 36 from the stack, and that is my final result. So this is how I will be performing the expression evaluation of the postfix expression. So we'll see with an example. So see here, what is my expression? 210 plus 96 minus slash. So this is my expression. How I will be evaluating? Initially my stack is empty. First what I do, I push the symbol 2 onto the stack. Next what I do, I push the symbol 10 onto the stack. Now my stack is stored with what? 2 and 10. Next what I encounter the symbol plus. So next what I do, when I encounter symbol plus, I need to pop the elements 10 and 2. So once I encounter the 10 and 2 popping, next what I do, I will be doing the addition operation. 2 plus 10, that is 12. Next what I do, finally I push the stored symbol 12 onto the stack. Next what I once I stored onto the stack, next operation what I encounter, next thing encountering is what? 9. So 9, once I encounter, I will be pushing 9 onto the stack. Next after 9 I will be encountering 6. So 6 I will be pushing onto the stack. Now my stack is stored with 6, 9 and 12. Next operation encounter is what? Minus. So first I will be popping the elements 6. Next I will be encountering popping the elements 9. So next what I do, I will be performing the subtraction operator, that is 9 minus 6. What is the remaining value? 3. Again I will be storing 3, push this 3 onto the stack. Now stack is stored with what? 3 and 12. Next final what expression I will be obtaining? Slash is the operator. So that operator I will be encountering, and this is the last symbol what I am encountering in the expression. Nothing is left in the expression. Hence what I do, I will pop the values. 3 and 12. So what happens? 12 divided by 3, it is 4. Then again I will be storing 4 onto the stack. 4 onto the stack. Nothing is left in the expression. Now what I need to get? I need to get the final answer. Nothing is left in the expression. Then I stop evaluating. Then finally I will pop the last symbol, last value, that is 4. And what is my answer is 4, and my stack is empty. This is how I will be evaluating the postfix expressions. Okay, if you have any doubts during the evaluation, we can see in the interaction class. Thank you.